Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. So I have created a separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately, like class 1, class 2, like that. So you can go to my channel and select the playlist and you can choose according to your class. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is class 4 chapter 10 Thapp Roti Thapp Dal. Roti means chapati, dal means dal curry. So thapp means nothing but just a sound effect to make the name fancy, like Thapp Roti Thapp Dal. So this is actually this is a drama. It's played, this chapter is played on a stage. Okay, so their kids are acting like they are playing a cooking game. So it is the full chapter is on a stage. सो पर्दा खुलने पर बच्चे खेलते हुए दिखाई पड़ते हैं. सो बिकॉज इट्स अ स्टेज देयर इज अ कर्टन ऑन इट. सो व्हेन द कर्टन ओपन्स द किड्स आर सीन प्लेइंग देयर. सब बच्चे हल्ला मचाते हंसते हुए बड़े उत्साह के साथ खेल रहे हैं. सो ऑल द किड्स आर प्लेइंग विद ग्रेट एक्साइटमेंट, लाफिंग एंड एंजॉइंग देमसेल्व्स. अचानक मुन्नी अपने घर से भागी भागी वहाँ आती है और नीना को पुकारती है. So suddenly Munni, one of the character, comes from her house and calls her friend Neena. नीना खेल छोड़कर सामने एक किनारे पर आ जाती है. So Neena leaves the game, leaves what she was playing and comes to a corner in the front of the stage. पीछे बच्चों का खेल चलता रहता है. The rest of the kids keep on playing their game. मुन्नी पुकार कर, ओ नीना नीना सुन. मुन्नी कॉलिंग नीना, ओ नीना लिसन नीना. नीना पास आते हुए, क्यों क्या बात है मुन्नी. सो नीना कम्स क्लोजर एंड शी आस्क्स व्हाट्स द मैटर मुन्नी. मुन्नी देख नीना, आज मैंने अम्मा से आटा, घी, दाल, दही, साग, चीनी, मक्खन सब चीज़ें ले ली है. चल रोटी का खेल खेलेंगे. सो मुन्नी सेइंग, see Neena, today I have taken everything from Amma. That is to make flour for the chapati, then ghee, then dal, then curd, greens, sugar, butter. Everything I have brought from my home. Now let's play cooking game. नीना, हाँ खूब मज़ा आएगा, चलो उन लोगों को भी बुला ले ताली बजाकर. So Neena is saying, yeah, it will be fun. Let's call them also and let's play together. ताली बजाकर means clapping hands. She is calling them. अरे चुन्नू सुनो, अब इस खेल को खेलते तो बहुत देर हो गई, चलो अब रोटी का खेल खेलें. So she is telling, hey Chunnu, listen, we have played this game for long now. Come, let's play the cooking game now. सब हाँ यह ठीक है. सब means everyone. Everyone is saying yes that's right. Let's play now. मुन्नी अच्छा चलो, देख चुन्नू तू और टिंकू बाजार से साग सब्जी लाने का काम करना. So now they are deciding the roles, what and all people will do in a household. So Munni is telling, okay let's go. Okay Chunnu, you and Tinku will do the work of bringing vegetables from the market. Saag sabji means vegetable from the market. So that is your job. Your Chunnu and Tinku's job is bringing vegetable from the market. नीना, नहीं मुन्नी, इन दोनों से दाल बनवाएंगे. जब इनसे आग तक नहीं जलेगी तब मज़ा आएगा. So Neena is interpreting her and she is saying, no Munni, we'll make two of them make dal because it will be fun when they can't even start fire. चुन्नू, तो क्या तू समझती है हम आग नहीं जला सकते. चल रे टिंकू, आज इन्हें दाल बनाकर दिखा ही देंगे, क्यों. So Tinku is Chunnu is saying, so what do you think? You think we can't even start a fire? Come on Tinku, let's go. Today we'll show them how dal is made. Okay, like that she's asking. So Tinku is replying, हाँ दोस्त देख लेंगे. Tinku is saying, yes friend, we'll show them. मुन्नी, तो सरला तू क्या करेगी. So everybody is now deciding what and all roles we should do. So Munni is asking Sarla, so Sarla, what will you do? भाई मैं तो दही का मट्टा चला दूंगी. So Sarla is telling, I'll stir the pot of curd to make buttermilk. मुन्नी, तो तरला तू. So Munni is asking, and Tarla, what will you do? तरला, मैं तेरे संग रोटी बनाऊंगी. So Tarla is saying, me, I'll make roti with you. I'll make chapati with you. नीना, ठीक है, मैं बिल्ली बन जाती हूँ, खूब मज़ा आएगा, तुम्हारी सारी चीज़ें खा जाऊंगी. So Neena is saying, okay, then I'll become cat, and it will be lot of fun because I'll eat everything what you're making. मट्टा चलाने की हांडी लेकर अभिनय के साथ सरला और तरला रंगमंच पर आती हैं. मट्टा चलाने की हांडी means the stick that is used to stir the curd so that it will turn into buttermilk. Rangamanch means stage. So Sarla and Tarla come to the stage, with a curd pot and a stick, and they act as if they are going to make curd. फिर गगरी उतारने का और रई से मट्टा चलाने का अभिनय करती है. Then they act as if she is taking butter from the hanging pot and acts making curd with the curd making stick. एक बच्चा रोता हुआ माँ के पास आता है. So a crying child comes to the mother. It's all acting. Some child will come to like mother. Her mother means mother is Sarla, Tarla, one of them only. So they are also kids, but still one child acts as if it is a small kid and it comes to its mother. वह उसे मक्खन देने का अभिनय करती है और प्यार से पास में बिठाकर फिर मट्टा चलाने लगती है. So what she does, she acts to give the child butter, and with love she lets him sit with her and again acts as if she is making curd. मुन्नी दौड़ कर आती है. मुन्नी comes running there. मट्टा देखने का अभिनय करती है. She acts as if she just saw the curd pot. वाह, खूब चलाया मट्ठा, देखूं ये मीठा या खट्टा. So she is just teasing around. Munni is telling, wow, you have made a lot of curd. You have turned a lot of curd. Can I taste it? Can I see if it is sour or it is sweet? सरला, क्या देखोगी, इस मट्टे का बढ़िया स्वाद, खाकर सब करते हैं याद. So Sarla is replying, what will you check? The curd tastes very great. This buttermilk will taste very great. It will not be sour. It will be very sweet. And everyone remembers it. Once if they taste my buttermilk, they'll remember it for the whole life because it will be very tasty. चुन्नू टिंकू कंधे पर भोज रखे हुए आते हैं. So in a while, Chinnu and Tinku come with a heavy bag on their shoulder as if they are coming from the market. तरला, यह लो चिन्नू टिंकू आए, देखिए क्या तरकारी लाए. सो तरला इज टेलिंग, सी नाउ चिन्नू टिंकू हैव कम, लेट्स सी व्हाट स्पेशल थिंग्स दे हैव ब्रॉट. चुन्नू भोज उतारते हुए, ओहो पीट रही है दुख. सो चुन्नू acts as if she is taking off the bag and she says, oh, my back is paining because of this heavy burden. टिंकू, मुझको लगी करारी भूख. सो टिंकू इज टेलिंग, आई एम वेरी हंग्री. करारी मीन्स वेरी 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 हंग्री. मुन्नी मुंह मटकाते हुए, बच्चू जी भूख लगने से क्या होगा, अब पहले तुम आग जलाओ और हांडी में दाल पकाओ. सो मुन्नी मेक्स फेस एज इफ शी सेइंग, ओ डियर्स, व्हाट कैन बी डन इफ यू आर हंग्री. You have to light a fire, you have to start a fire and then cook the dal in the pot. Handi means pot. चुन्नू, अरे हाँ, चल जल्दी से दाल पकाए, बढ़िया को भी स्वाद चखाए. बढ़ियों को भी, so बढ़ियों means elders. So she's telling, oh yes, we have to cook the dal. So come, let's cook the dal quickly and now let's show our dal, how our dal will be tasty to elders. To these elders, let us show how tasty our dal will be. दोनों आग जलाने, फूंक मारने और धुएं की वजह से आए आंसू पूछने का अभिनय करते हैं. So what these two do? Both acts as if they are starting the fire and they keep on blowing it to keep the fire on, and then they wipe their tears as if the smoke is coming out of the fire, so their eyes are burning, so they wipe their tears. फिर दाल और बड़ी पकाते हैं. Then they start cooking dal and badi. Badi means like it's a dish like a pakoda type of dish. Then कलछी से दाल चलाकर देखते हैं कि उंगली जल जाती है. Then what they do, they act as if they are tasting the dal with a spoon. Kalki means spoon, but because they are tasting from the hot pot, they pretend as if they burned their fingers. उंगली जलने का अभिनय के साथ साथ मुन्नी पास आकर इन्हें देखती है. So when they act like they have burned their fingers, then Munni comes to see if they are okay or not. So this is all acting. There is no fire, there is no making dish. They are just acting as if they are cooking dal and roti. मुन्नी, टिंकू ने पकाई बढ़िया, चुन्नू ने पकाई दाल. टिंकू की बढ़िया जल गई, चुन्नू का बुरा हाल. So now Munni is again teasing them. Tinku cooked बढ़िया, that is that pakoda type dish. Chunnu cooked dal. Then Tinku's pakoda got fully burned. And Chunnu is in bad condition. Chunnu's condition is very bad. तरला तथा अन्य सहेलियां एक और से आती है. हाथ कमर पर इस प्रकार रखा है जैसे हाथ में डलिया हो. So from the other side, Tarla and her friends come from some other side, and their hand is placed as if they are holding some big basket. फिर गाकर रोटी पकाने आकर बैठ जाती है. फिर गाकर रोटी पकाने का अभिनय करती है. Then they come and sit there and they started singing and they act as if they are making roti. लड़कियां थप रोटी थप दाल खाने वाले हो तैयार. So all the girls started singing the song थप रोटी थप दाल. Who and all wants to eat, get ready because food is ready. ये पंक्तियां 2 बार गाई जाने के बाद चिन्नू और टुंकू के साथ टिंकू के दोस्त एक पंक्ति में एक के पीछे एक कदम बढ़ाते हुए बड़ी शान के साथ आकर एक और बैठ जाते हैं. फिर लड़कियों की ओर हाथ फैलाकर मांगते हुए गाकर 2 बार कहते हैं. After singing these lines twice, what Chinnu and Tinku do? Chinnu and Tinku and their friends sit gracefully in a row, as if in a function or in festival, how we will sit so that everybody can serve us food. Like that, they sit in a row, one in front of another, and then they turn towards the girls. And spreading their hand, they sing the song 2 more times. Okay, what song? चुन्नू लाओ रोटी लाओ दाल लाओ खूब उड़ाए माल. So first girls sang a song that thap roti thap dal, who and all wants to eat. Now get ready. Now Chunnu and the boys are singing another song, लाओ रोटी लाओ दाल लाओ खूब उड़ाए माल. Now give us roti, now give us dal. Let's spend or let's eat all those things that are being made. मुन्नी और तरला की सहेलियां रोटी की डलियां उठाने का अभिनय करती है. एक पंक्ति में लड़कों के पास आकर उन्हें रोटी देने का अंदाज में 2 बार गाकर कहती है. So Munni and Tarla and her friends come up to the boys who are sitting in a row and they pretend to pick up the basket of roti and serve them by singing another song twice. What is that song? ले लो रोटी ले लो दाल चख कर हमें बताओ हाल. So they sing take roti, take dal, taste and tell us how it is made. चुन्नू आदि चिढ़ाकर खट्टा, पर जैसे ही मुन्नी गुस्से से उनकी ओर देखती है तो कहते हैं नहीं नहीं मीठा, खट्टा नहीं मीठा. So Chunnu and her friends what they say they tease us. By teasing here their friends say it is very sour. But as soon as Munni looks at them very angrily, they change. And what now they say? They say, no, it is very sweet, not sour, it is very sweet. खाने का अभिनय करते हुए खट्टा मीठा खट्टा मीठा खट्टा मीठा खट्टा मीठा कुछ रुक रुक कर. So they act as if they are eating and they sing a song, sour sweet, sour sweet, sour sweet, sour sweet, pausing in between. सब बच्चे आधी खाएं आधी रखे अब सो जाएं उठकर चखें. So all the kids sing together, let's eat half, let's keep half, now we'll sleep and rest, and when we'll get up we'll eat again. सब बच्चे सो जाते हैं. अचानक बिल्ली की म्याऊ सुनाई पड़ती है. बिल्ली का प्रवेश. So all the kids fall asleep, they act as if they are sleeping. Then suddenly the cat's purr is heard. Meow. Then the cat enters. That is, who is cat? Nina is cat here. So cat enters. वह चारों ओर देखती है तो होठों पर जीभ को फेर कर बड़ी खुश होकर कहती है. So the cat or Nina looks around, and when she sees all this food, yummy food in front of her, she started twisting her tongue on the lips and says very happily, what she says, ओहो मक्खन कितना सारा, झट से चटकर करो किनारा. Oh, there is lots of butter here. Should I lick it very quickly? Like that she'll tell. आगे बढ़कर ऊपर उछलती है, चींके पर से कुछ चीज लेने का अभिनय करती है. So she jumps and comes to the front and she acts as if she is taking something from the pot that is tied up. चींके से means see in the picture which is tied up. है चींके पर क्या रखा, आन रही क्या अगर ना चखा. So she is telling what is kept in this basket here, what is the use of coming here, or what is the purpose of coming here if it is not tasted. हाथ बढ़ाकर रोटी निकालते हुए. So she stretches her hand and takes out the roti from it. Takes out the roti from it. रोटी कैसी गरम गरम है, घी से चुपटी नरम नरम है. The roti is very hot and it is very very soft because of the ghee in it. खाते हुए मक्खन रोटी चावल दाल, जी भर खाया कितना माल. So while eating, the cat is also singing now, butter roti, rice dal. I have eaten so much that now my stomach is very full. और देखो वह मुन्नी चुन्नू टिंकू सारे खराटे भर रहे बेचारे. And she's saying, and look at that, Munni, Chunnu, Tinku and everybody, poor guys, they are snoring and sleeping. खराटे means snore. अब चुपके से सरपट जाऊं. Now I'll go very quietly. आलसियों को सबक सिखाऊं. Now let me teach all these lazy people a lesson. म्याऊ 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 म्याऊ. बिल्ली जाती है. So the cat goes. अंगड़ाई लेकर सरला उठती है और मक्खन के बर्तन को खाली देकर आश्चर्य से चिल्लाती हुई कहती है. So somehow Munni wakes up and what she sees that the butter pot is empty and she starts screaming. सरला, ओरे चुन्नू टिंकू भाई कहाँ है मक्खन और मलाई. ओ माई गॉड, चुन्नू टिंकू भाई, टिंकू ब्रदर, वेयर इज द बटर एंड द क्रीम. मलाई मीन्स क्रीम. मुन्नी चौंक कर उठते हुए. So Sarla wakes up. Now she Munni also gets up startled or shocked. अरे ज़रा चीके तक जाना और रोटी का पता लगाना. हाय रे, ना रोटी ना दूध मलाई, लगता है बिल्ली ने खाई. So Munni says, oh God, please someone go and check the roti basket and check if the roti is there or not. Oh God, there is no roti, there is no cream, no butter. I think the cat seems to have eaten everything. एक बच्चा, बिल्ली आई आधी रात, खा गई रोटी खा गई भात. So one kid says, बिल्ली came at midnight, she ate roti and she ate rice. दूसरा बच्चा, क्या कहा, बिल्ली आई आधी रात, खा गई रोटी खा गई भात. So second child is wondering and asking, what did you say? The cat came at midnight. It ate bread and it ate rice. टिंकू, चलो बिल्ली को ढूंढ मचाए, फिर चोरी का मजा चखाए. So Tinku is saying, let's find the cat and let's teach her a lesson because she stole our food. सब बच्चे ठीक ठीक. So all kids say agree to Tinku and they say exactly, let's find out the cat. बच्चे मिलकर बिल्ली को ढूंढने जाते हैं. कुछ बच्चे अंदर जाते हैं, बाहर आते हैं, कुछ रंगमंच पर सामने की ओर देखते हैं, कभी बैठकर नीचे झुककर देखते हैं और नहीं मिलने का हाव भाव प्रकट करते जाते हैं. तभी तरला सरला चीख कर कहती है. So the kids act as if they are finding the cat. Some kids goes inside, some kids go out. Then some look in the front of the stage and some people sit down and look down. And they show as if oh my God, we are not finding the cat. Like that expressions or gestures they show. So suddenly Tarla and Sarla started shouting, and what they are saying, yellow mil gayi billi mil gaya chor. So they are saying, see this, we have got the cat and we have got the thief. बिल्ली घबराई हुई सी रंगमंच पर आती है, सब उसे पकड़ते हैं. So the cat arrives in the stage very scared because they have caught the thief. Everyone catches her. सब करो पिटाई इसकी जोर, हंसकर मारने का अभिनय करते हैं. So everybody say, now let us beat her very hard. बोल अब खाएगी मेरी रोटी. So everybody started laughing and they started beating her. Now say, will you eat our roti? अब खाएगी मेरी दाल. Now will you eat our दाल? बिल्ली हाँ खाऊंगी 100 बार. सो जाओगे टांग पसार. So cat says, yes, I'll eat 100 times if you sleep like this without knowing what is happening around. Tang pasar means without knowing anything. You guys were sleeping. If it happens again, I'll eat 100 times. यह कहकर बिल्ली भागने का प्रयत्न करती है. Saying this, the cat tries to run away. पर सब बच्चे उसे घेर लेते हैं. But all the kids surround her. 3-4 बार ऐसा करने के बाद बिल्ली घेरा छोड़कर भाग जाती है और सारे बच्चे पकड़ो पकड़ो का शोर मचाते हुए उसके पीछे पीछे भागते हैं. So after doing this 3 or 4 times surrounding her, the cat somehow runs away and all the kids run after her making the noise. पकड़ो पकड़ो, पकड़ो पकड़ो means catch catch, and पर्दा गिरता है and the curtain closes. So it's a very like simple drama where people where kids play a cooking game. So first Munni comes there and she says, let's play Nina, let's play some game, cooking game. So she has brought all those things. Then they pretend as if they are making curd, they pretend as if they are making butter roti, they pretend as if they are making badiya, that is pakoda type dish. So they make everything and they tease each other, and at last what happens, they sit in a row and all the girls started serving them, and what they'll do, they'll eat half and they'll keep half, so that when they'll sleep and wake up, then they can have other half. But what happens, when they'll sleep, a cat will come, that is Nina dressed as a cat. She'll come on the stage and she'll eat all their roti and dal. And when they woke up, there was no butter, no roti, no cream, no badiya, anything. What and all they had prepared, there was nothing there. All was eaten by the cat. So now they started searching the cat and they'll roam around and search where is the cat. Finally, Tarla Sarla catches the thief, that is catches the cat, and at last they started beating the cat because she stole their food. Still what the cat says, no, I'll again eat your food. If you sleep like this, I'll again eat your food. So saying that, she runs away and all the kids follows her by saying catch her like that. They'll run after her. So that is a simple drama story. So that is it. I hope you understood the chapter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.